With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let's start the question. The question says that read the given statements and select the correct option. So the statement 1 says that root cap protects the root meristem from the friction of the soil and its outer cells are continuously replaced by newer ones. So what happens that when the root enters into the soil, then the cells of root may get damaged due to soil friction. So to prevent this or to avoid this, there is presence of a root cap, which is also known as calyptra, at the apex of root. And this root cap or calyptra, it provides protection. That when the outer cells, they are entering into the soil or penetrating into the soil, they get damaged, so it provides protection to it. Now when these outer cells get damaged, they are replaced by the newer ones. So what the first statement says that root cap protects the root meristem from friction of soil, this is correct, and the outer cells are replaced by newer ones, this is also correct. So statement 1 is correct. Statement 2 says that the effect of soil friction damages the outer cells of root cap, which are peeled off and replaced by new cells produced by root meristem, this is also correct. We see that when this root is entering into the soil, then there is outer root cap. Now this root cap enters soil and its outer cells will of course get damaged due to soil friction. So these outer cells, they are replaced by new cells by the action of root meristem. So statement 2 is also correct. So our correct option will be both statements 1 and 2 are correct. So option A is the answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.